Alright, here's the story. I had a blinking check engine light and checked my spark plug, was okay. Changed the wire, and I still had a check engine light misfire, number 4. So and then I just looked at some research and I changed that coil right there. And I noticed the coil you buy does not have the fire diagram on it. That doesn't matter. You put the wires in the same spot that you take out. And now we're going to go for a test ride and see how that works. And it's very nice and smooth. And you gotta get one of these guys, and it told me it was a misfire on number 4. I had a flashing check engine light, made it home, so we'll see what happens now. More to come.